In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to renew your British passport online. It's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and go up to gov.uk/renew_adult-passport/renew. And then from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, it will go you step by step through how to do it either manually or online. But in this tutorial, I'll just show you how to do it online. From here, you will simply need to go down to the Renew Online. And as you can see down here, it will cost you £94.50. From here, you will need a digital photo of yourself, a credit card or debit card, and your previous passport. From here, to start the application, you'll just need to click Renew Online. From here, Gov.uk will ask you a couple questions like, do you live in the UK? Just click yes or no. Then your date of birth. You can just click these details in that is suitable for you, what just is inside of your passport already. Then from here, have you ever had a UK passport before? And then you'll need to click yes or no, continue. And from here, you can see, do you need a passport urgently, or I can pay more for a premium service that will take less than 4 hours, as you can see here, collected 4 hours after appointment and delivered 1 week or 3 weeks if you just want the standard. As you can see, it costs significantly more to get the premium services. From here, you'll just need to click yes or no, continue, and from here you'll be able to get into the apply section. From here you'll need to get the digital passport photo, you'll need to provide service application details for either yourself or your child, you'll need to find out what documents you need to send, pay for your passport, and if required you get someone to confirm your identity. If you don't have a photo, this will be required for you here. From here you'll need to track your application, and you can do that by either updates by mail or text messages. From here you'll simply need to click continue, and from here you can see how to get a digital passport photo for yourself. Click continue, and then you can just click I have a code to enter for a digital photo, or I'd like to upload a digital photo for yourself. From here you'll just need to click the specific one that's suitable for you and click continue, and just follow the steps until you get finished with applying or reapplying for your passport. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!